guys, thank you so much for watching. So I did myself a disservice, or rather my garden, and I brought my cold, like frost tolerant seedlings out, and I put them out here probably like 2 weeks ago, and I forgot to actually plant them. And so they were sitting on top of the soil, and we had a couple days where it dipped super cold, and I think they're done for. So let's take a look at them, see if we can plant them, and then let's plant some other cold tolerant seeds. I cannot talk today. I don't know why, but I'm not talking well today. Alright, get back down there. Come on, buddy. There it goes. Okay. So here are the seedlings. They are toast. They have turned completely white. Yeah, I think they're done. Look at this. What a waste. So what I'll do is just plant new seeds. It'll be fine. But these guys here, they are lost to me. So over here on this side of the drip line, I'm going to plant collard greens, black-seeded Simpson lettuce. I love this lettuce. And then arugula. So I like to plant using one glove, and I take that glove and I make a trench. So I take my hand and I make a trench like this. It's about 1/2 inch deep. And then I put my seeds in. Let's start with who's open? The black-seeded Simpson, because he's opened already. And then I put that seed in my hand and I try to sprinkle it as lightly as possible. We will go back and thin this. We will have to do that. But not every seed is going to germinate. So that's what I do, and then I come back through, cover it up like this, and then we start on the next row. My next row actually is going to be arugula. I love arugula. I am addicted to its flavor. Love it so much. So let's do another trench. Gonna try to leave some space for these to get big. Get my seeds. Again, if you overseed, you gotta come back through and thin them out. So we'll start with the seed, just sprinkling it through. I like to overseed just in case, it doesn't germinate for me very well. Especially older seeds, sometimes they don't want to all germinate, so definitely overseed. So we've got the arugula planted, and we've got the black-seeded Simpson. So let's start with the collards, and I'll do the same thing. I'll make a trench, and then I'm actually going to do 2 rows of collards because I love collards. So I'm going to start on the other side of the drip line over here. So now I'm going to start some radishes, some cilantro, beets, and that's it. And Swiss chard. So I'm going to do this a little differently. So on this half, we did the rainbow beets, Swiss chard, black Spanish radish. This side we did the icicle short top radish, cilantro, and the watermelon radish on this half. And then over here, we'll just go back through. We did collards, black seeded Simpson lettuce, and arugula in this bed. Here are the seedlings that I killed. Yeah, they all turned pale, and I don't think that they're gonna make it, so whoops. It's okay, I can start over again. Definitely starting from seed. I mean, there's still time to do that. If you want to do that in your own beds, you definitely can. Yeah, so don't feel bad if you lose seedlings. Just reseed, just keep on moving forward. So I'm gonna water these beds in because my drip, I have not turned that on yet, and we'll water this, and then we'll cover, and then we'll just wait for germination. Hi, Turbo. There's Turbo. He got ghosted on a couple days ago. Someone was supposed to come and adopt him, but they did a no-show. Didn't they, buddy? Yes, they don't know what they're missing. He's a good little man, ain't ya? Ain't ya? Hi, bud. And then Chippy's getting a new home in a couple days as well. That way I only have one rooster instead of three. 3 roosters is a lot for my hens, so yeah, these 2 little boys, they gotta go. So I've got the beds watered in. I'm gonna cover them up in a little bit, but I have made a decision, and I'm gonna be changing a couple things in this space here. So this bed right there, so the sun is in my eye, so I can't tell if you can see it right here. This bed is gonna come out, and then I'll just flip the camera around. It just makes more sense. So this bed right here is coming out. All of this is strawberry and oregano. It's gonna go to the chickens, and then all of the plants that are in this area, they are gonna get moved out. I'm gonna wait till the daffodils and those bulbs flower. That way I can know where they are, dig them up and move them. But there are some hydrangeas here, there's some phlox here, and then maybe like a hosta or 2 that got left over that I dug out when I was doing this. So all of this is going to get moved. It's going to get planted up that way somewhere. I need this space to be open so that I can like run my hose this way without you know, breaking any plants, and then so I can have access to get through to here so much easier. So we have this sidewalk, and then it goes to these pavers around the chicken coop, and it would just be easier to have this space open so that we can like access, get through here. We got room to get the eggs. We're not going to be stepping on anything over here. We can have more room to clean out the coop and do all these things without backing into plants. So I don't think I will be planting or putting anything else in this space besides adding a few more pavers. I'm trying to decide, because I do have another vegega bed that is kind of long, but I don't know, I don't really want to fill this space up with a bed. I think pavers are probably better, so we can have better access coming through here to the garden and over there to the chickens. I'm looking forward to it, because it's a pain to drag this hose in between stuff, and it's already like in between those branches. It's just a pain to do that. So I think it's a good idea. It'll just be, you know, a lot of work to get all that stuff out and to try to get everything out. I also wanted to show you some of my tulips are coming up. We planted these together a few months ago. So these guys are coming up and I can't wait to see what they look like, because to be honest with you, I don't remember what I put in there. So like what they look like. I probably should go back to that video and see, but they're coming up. I'm so excited. I also started raking out my beds. So started pulling leaves out of here. I figure it's better for me to do it while things are still dormant, so I'm not breaking off leaves and stuff. So it'll be a gradual process, but I have started it right over here, and then I did start some up on the hill over here, and I'll show you. It looks so much better to see like the beds, and I can start reworking the borders early as opposed to later. So I started pulling the leaves out of here. I can actually like see my plants, and it just feels so good. It feels like the season is moving forward and I can start being out here and doing stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.